On number 1, we're going to order from least to greatest. Already, this is negative. So you know that's going to be the very first one. Negative 0.1. I think what I'll do is I'll change all the rest of them into decimals. These two into decimals. It'll be a lot easier comparing them. Okay, so I'll divide 36 into 5. And if I do that, you can see that I have 0.1 and then there's some more. But I'm just going to wait and see if I need to divide any more or not. Notice when I do 1 over 12, if I divide that, 12 into 1, okay, I add a 0. 12 does not go into 10. I add another 0. 12 goes into 100 8 times. That's 96. So I'll stop there, 0.08. So above there, this is 0.1 something. The other one is 0.08. And I have 0.45. You can put these in order just by looking at that. So if I do that, notice the next largest one would be 0.08. That's smaller than 0.1. And the next one would be, so that's 1/12. That's 0.08. This one is 5 over 36 is 0.1. That's the next size, larger. So 5 over 36. And the last one, the largest one, is 0.45. Okay, and that is the order from least to greatest. But I changed them into decimals so I could compare them. On number 2, change it to decimal. So 19 goes in the box, bring the decimal up. 20 goes into 190, 9 times, it's 180. That gives you 10 left over, add another 0. And 20 goes in 105 times. So the answer is 0.95. Number 3, we have 1 point something. 1 and 1/50. So I take the 50, divide it into 1, add a 0. It doesn't go into 10. Add another 0. That's twice. 2 times 50 is 100. So the answer is, so it's 0.02, but it's 1.02 is the answer. Number 4 is 4 and 9/10. 0.9 is 9/10. 5.76 is 5 and 76/100. Now, I'll break this down. Half of 76 is 38. Half of 100 is 50. 2 will also go in there, so I'll take half of that. Half of 38 is 19, and half of 50 is 25. So that's broken down. So our answer really is 5 and 19/25. Number 6, find the common denominator is 15. Add them all up, that's 53. That's 2 and 5 over 24. Number 8, remember we just multiply the exponents. So it's 4 n to the 4th p squared. Because that's 2. This will be 2 squared. On number 7, I know there's more negative. Okay, and that's a larger one. So I'm going to have to take the difference between the two. I know my answer is negative, but I'm going to have to take this one and subtract 1 4/9. So I do that to find the difference. And I get 6 minus 4, that's 2. So that's 2/9. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is negative 2 and 2/9. Number 9, again, we're multiplying the exponents. That's 4 squared and over 7 squared. That's 16 over 49. Okay, now turn to the back side. Number 10, change them to improper. That's times plus. That's 12, 13. Times plus is 8. 4 goes into 8 twice. Negatives will cancel. 2 of them cancel. 13 times 2, that's 26. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 goes into 26. 6 times 4 is 24. So it's 4 and 2, 6. But 2, 6 can be reduced to 1/3. 2 goes in there once, 2 goes in there 3. Number 11, 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 makes 11. 4 goes into 4. So we have 11, and 3 times 1 is 3. The negatives cancel. 3 goes into 11. 3 times, that's 9. 2 left over. Number 12, 2 times 1 plus 1 makes 3. Then over here, I'll make it improper, then I'll flip it because it's freeze, change, flip. 5 times 1 plus 4 is 9. So now I'm going to flip it. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's all there is. So remember, it's freeze, change, flip, but you have to make it improper before flipping. Same thing with 13. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And then 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. So it's 7/3. Now I'm going to flip it. 3 goes in there once. You have 8 over 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So that is 1 and 1/7. On number 14, you'll notice that the y's can cancel each other. There's one on top, one on the bottom, because I freeze, change, flip. So my answer is just 5 over 11. Number 15, that's 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Now I need a, I can just flip it right now. It's going to be 8 over 1. Freeze, change, flip. And I cannot do any reducing, so it looks like I have 8 times 10, that's 80. 80 over 3. Number 16, I subtract 2 9ths. I have to find my common denominator, 45. So now I have 27 minus 10. 27 minus 10 is 17. And then 1 minus 0 is just 1. Number 17, I multiply by the reciprocal. That's going to give me h. So 7 over 3 I multiply. 7 over 3. And notice that 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I have 3 times 7, 21.